Hello and good day everyone. In this short video presentation, I'm going to make an experiment um, for our activity. And without further ado, let's start with the first procedure. So the first thing that we need to do is to fill the can with 3/4 amount of water and put it on the small tub to begin the floating and observation of this experiment. So as we can see here, upon dropping the can, it is showing a stableness of a vessel or a can. And at the same time, it is moving on uncertain area beginning from her starboard side. And I think it is because of the weight of a ship and by not carefully dropping the can on the water. So with that being said, the water on the tub makes a small waves upon dropping the can. So I think that's the reason why the can makes a movement to uncertain area. And by putting an object inside the can, let us just assume that it is now added with so much weight, and as we can see here, the weight that being added is now pushing the can downward. So if we assume that the can had a water line or freeboard, we can see here that there is a reserve buoyancy happen to avoid sinking, because if there is no reserve buoyancy, there is a big possibility that the can may sink. So after removing the object inside the can, it is now back to its original stability. By pointing my index finger on the other side of a tip of a can, the can is rolling or moving quickly to the left side. So my conclusion to this is it is because I add weight on the right side, and if it is a vessel, I add a weight on the starboard side. And that is why the center of gravity is moved on from where I was pointing. And that is why the can is quickly creates a movement on the direction of port side. And I think that will be all for this experiment, and thank you and God bless.